Hi everyone, my name is Anita Hartati. I will explain about my paper by title The Application of Cooperative Learning Type Group Investigation Method in Teaching Writing for the 8th grade student of junior high school. In chapter 1, there is introduction. Point 1 is background of the problem. In the background of the problem, discuss about in conventional learning, the teacher becomes the center of the learning, having the role of transferring and transmitting information so that students don't need to construct their ideas. The level of student participation is very limited because the flow of interaction is dominated by the teacher. The form of assignment learning is individualism. As a consequence, the evaluation applied in the class were also individual. Point 2 is the formulation of the problem. First, what is the meaning of cooperative learning? Second, what are the elements and characteristics of cooperative learning? And the last is, how is the application of cooperative learning in writing learning? And the point 3 is goals. The purpose of this paper is to make our reader or student as prospective student know better learning models, use on their student, and be more active in learning them. Chapter 2 is discussion. Point 1 is theoretical basis. According to Slavin, cooperative learning encourages students to interact actively and positively in groups. This means that students can exchange ideas and examine ideas themselves in an atmosphere that is not threatened. In accordance with the philosophy and constructivism. Point 2 is learning step. Step 1 is grouping stage. This stage identifies the topic to be investigated and form an investigation groups. Step 2 is planning phase. Planning stage or planning stages of learning text. This stage, students generally plan about what did they learn, how do they study, what did they do, and the last for what purpose did they investigate the topic. Step 3 is investigation stage. Investigation stage, which is the stage of implementing student investigates project. Step 4 is organizing stage. This is a final report preparation phase. In Step 5 is presentation stage. Presenting phase is the final report presentation stage. In the last step is evaluating stage. Evaluating phase or assessment of work processes and student project of outcomes. Point 3 is functional text material writing. Functional text is a special text that contains comments, direction, something that must be done or should not be done, which can be a prohibition, invitation, short message, shopping list, notice, announcement, and order that contains meaning and are used in daily communication. The last point is application of group investigation. Thus, it is expected that the application of group investigation method will not only increase student outcomes but also motivate students. Because with the application of the group investigation method, the teacher can condition the learner so that the student actively involved in the learning, able to work together with other students, so that the learning outcome and learner learning motivation increases. The last chapter is closing. Point 1 is conclusion. Cooperative learning is one of effective learning by forming small groups to cooperate with each other, interaction, and exchange ideas in the learning process. The last point is suggestion. To get optimal results, each student must be active in discussion and must respect each other's opinions or ideas. That's enough. Thank you for your attention.